Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a vegetable that looks like a cucumber with anger issues and tastes like your ex's personality, bittermelon. You might know it as bitter gourd, ampalaya, karela, or no thank you, I'm good, if you tried it the first time without any warning. But don't click away yet. Behind that bitterness is a nutritional powerhouse that your body will love, even if your taste buds file a complaint. So, what exactly is bittermelon? Bittermelon is a tropical vine fruit from the squash family, related to cucumbers, pumpkins, and other things that actually taste nice. It's commonly used in Asian, African, and Caribbean cuisines. Bittermelon, also called bitter gourd or ampalaya, is a tropical vine fruit that belongs to the cucurbitaceae family. Even though it looks like a vegetable, it is technically a fruit. It's green, bumpy, and looks like a dragon egg on a budget. Inside, it has a spongy center with seeds that turn red when ripe. Most people cook it unripe and green, when the bitterness and the health benefits are strongest. Let's talk nutrition, because that's why we put ourselves through this. Bittermelon is low in calories, great if you're trying to lose weight or just like feeling smug about your food choices. High in vitamin C, supports your immune system and fights oxidative stress, so you can say, no thanks free radicals, not today. Rich in vitamin A, supports eye health and skin, bitter on the tongue, but pretty on the face. Contains folate, important for cell growth and especially important during pregnancy. Has fiber, keeps your digestion moving, so you're not sitting there regretting every life decision. Provides small amounts of potassium, zinc, and iron, minerals your body uses for everything from muscle function to immunity. And the star of the show, bittermelon contains bioactive compounds like charantin, polypeptide P, and vicine that have been studied for blood sugar lowering effects. So yes, it tastes like betrayal, but it's scientifically helpful betrayal. Now, the big question, why do people actually eat this on purpose? 1. Blood sugar support. Traditionally used in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine to help manage blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest it can improve how your cells use glucose and may help lower blood sugar. Important note, if you're on diabetes medication, talk to your doctor before going full bittermelon warrior. You don't want your blood sugar dropping too low. 2. May support weight management. Low in calories, high in fiber. Helps you feel fuller without loading up on junk. Perfect if you want to snack but also want to still fit into pants from 2019. 3. Antioxidant properties. Contains compounds that help combat oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is like rust for your cells. Bittermelon is like sending in a tiny cleaning crew with mops and attitude. 4. Potential heart health benefits. By helping with blood sugar and possibly improving lipid profiles, it may support overall cardiometabolic health. Translation: your heart might secretly stand bittermelon. Again, this is not a magic cure for anything. It's food, not medicine. Think of it as a strong supporting character, not the main doctor. Let's be honest. Bittermelon straight up can taste like chewing on a regret sandwich. So what is it best with? Eggs. Bittermelon and egg is a classic combo in many Asian cuisines. The egg softens the bitterness and makes it rich and comforting. Fatty or savory ingredients, like ground pork, beef, or tofu. The umami and fat help balance the sharp bitter flavor. Strong aromatics, garlic, onions, ginger, chili. If your kitchen smells intense, you're doing it right. If you're new to bittermelon, I'd say, best first date, bittermelon plus egg plus garlic. It's the least likely to end in emotional trauma. Here are some actual dishes, so you're not just staring at a bitter green thing wondering what to do. 1. Stir-fried bittermelon with egg. Thinly sliced bittermelon, stir-fried with garlic, then scrambled with beaten eggs. Season with soy sauce or salt and pepper. Textbook, I'm being healthy but I still want flavor meal. 2. Stuffed bittermelon. Common in Chinese, Filipino, and Vietnamese cuisines. You take rings or boats of bittermelon, stuff them with ground pork, shrimp, or fish paste, then braise or simmer in a savory broth or tomato sauce. The broth and filling mellow the bitterness and make it taste like actual food and not a dare. 3. Bittermelon stir-fry with meat or tofu. Sliced bittermelon with beef, pork, or tofu, plus onion, garlic, and soy sauce or black bean sauce. Grate with rice. The bitterness cuts through the richness, like that one brutally honest friend in your group chat. 4. Bittermelon soup. In many Asian households, bittermelon is cooked in clear soups with pork ribs, chicken, or fish balls. Light, comforting, and makes you feel like you're in a wellness retreat that also serves real food. 5. Bittermelon juice or tea. People blend or juice it and sometimes mix with other fruits or vegetables. Warning, this is the final boss of bitterness. Amazing for some, traumatic for others. Start with cooked versions first. So that's bittermelon. Looks weird, tastes intense, nutritionally stacked, weirdly good for you. If you're brave enough to try it, start with bittermelon and egg stir-fry and go from there. Your taste buds might complain, but your body will send you a thank you email. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe for more real, slightly roasted health foods, and comment below. Have you tried bittermelon? Love it, hate it, or still traumatized? Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the best things in life are an acquired taste.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.